You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's start using Facebook in 2025. First, download the Facebook app from your App Store or visit facebook.com. Open it and tap Create New Account. Enter your name, email or phone number, date of birth, and a password. Tap Sign Up. Confirm your email or phone with the code sent. Next, set up your profile. Add a profile picture and cover photo. Find friends by allowing Facebook to access your contacts or search for people you know. Do post. Tap What's on your mind. At the top of your news feed, share text, photos, or videos, like posts by tapping the thumbs up icon, comment by tapping the speech bubble, join groups by searching your interests, follow pages of brands and creators, adjust privacy settings by going to the menu, then settings and privacy, control who sees your posts and personal info, use Messenger for private chats by tapping the speech bubble icon, explore short-form videos in the video tab. This is the basic start for connecting and sharing. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.